Welcome to Review Rumble. The best beard stimulator is probably one of the most exciting innovations for men looking to enhance their facial hair growth, offering a potential solution for patchy beards or simply accelerating the journey to a fuller, more robust mane, and it's designed to work with your body's natural processes to encourage thicker, faster beard development, making it a must-have tool for any grooming enthusiast aiming for peak beard perfection. Number 5. Viking Revolution Beard Comb and Brush Set. Introducing the Viking Revolution Beard Comb and Brush Set, your ultimate solution for a perfectly groomed beard and mustache. This set is designed for the modern man who values quality and style. Experience the power of our natural boar bristle brush. It effectively distributes natural oils, tames unruly hairs, and promotes healthy beard growth, leaving your beard soft and manageable. Our dual-action pair-wood comb is crafted for precision. Use the fine teeth to style and detangle, and the wider teeth to smooth and shape your beard with ease. Keep your beard looking its best wherever you go. This set includes a velvet travel pouch, making it convenient to carry and maintain your grooming routine on the move. Looking for the ideal gift? This beard comb and brush set is a thoughtful present for any man who takes pride in his facial hair. Give the gift of a well-groomed beard. Achieve a polished and professional look every day. With this essential grooming kit, you can easily manage and style your beard and mustache for any occasion. What we like. This set offers natural boar bristles for effective grooming and a dual-action comb for versatility. If you're looking for a classic, reliable way to keep your beard tidy and presentable, this is a great choice. It's perfect for daily maintenance and travel. What people say. The Beard Stimulator has a sleek design and is comfortable to hold. It features multiple intensity levels, allowing for a customized experience. The device is easy to use and navigate through its functions. Number 4. The Beard Club Derma Roller. Introducing the Beard Club Derma Roller, your all-in-one solution for a revitalized appearance. It's designed for both men and women, helping you achieve your desired results. Featuring 540 titanium microneedles, this tool gently stimulates your skin. Experience the benefits of advanced microneedling for a smoother, more refined complexion. Whether you're targeting your face, body, or scalp, this versatile roller is up to the task. Achieve comprehensive rejuvenation with one effective device. It's specifically designed to support beard growth and promote a healthier scalp. Get ready to see a fuller, more vibrant look. Easy to use and highly effective, it integrates seamlessly into your grooming routine. Invest in yourself and reveal your best skin and hair. What we like. Featuring 540 titanium microneedles, this tool is designed to stimulate skin for potential growth. If you are seeking a way to encourage beard, scalp, or facial hair regrowth, this could be the solution you need. It's ideal for those focusing on maximizing their hair density. What people say. This product, designed for both men and women, features 540 high-quality titanium microneedles that make the process both efficient and comfortable. What I love about this tool is its ergonomic design. It is incredibly user-friendly and easy to handle, which is crucial for precise, safe application. It's a fantastic product, works as described and has a significant result over the course of the week. Number 3. Biotin Beard Balm for Men. Tired of a thin, patchy beard? Our Biotin Beard Balm is designed to give you a noticeably thicker and fuller beard. Experience the transformation you've been waiting for. Crafted with organic ingredients like castor oil and meadow foam, this balm nourishes your facial hair naturally. It's the clean, effective way to care for your beard and mustache. Say goodbye to dry, brittle facial hair. This leave-in conditioner deeply hydrates, leaving your beard soft, manageable, and healthy. It also promotes healthy growth. Achieve the perfect look with ease. Our mustache wax provides excellent hold and control, taming flyaways and shaping your beard just the way you like it. Get ready to impress. Support your beard and mustache growth journey. This potent balm works to enhance thickness and promote a healthier appearance. Unlock your beard's full potential. What we like. This balm provides 2x thickening power with organic ingredients like castor oil. If your beard feels thin or lacks volume, this product is designed to give it a fuller appearance. It's perfect for those who want a thicker, more conditioned beard. What people say. The biotin in this formula increases the diameter of your hair strands, resulting in a fuller appearance. Say goodbye to a patchy beard. This balm thickens your facial hair, making it look robust and well-defined. By strengthening your follicles and the hair surface, this balm reduces breakage and minimizes split ends. Your beard will feel more resilient, ready to withstand the elements and daily wear. Loaded with essential oils, it softens coarse hair, eliminates irritation, and banishes the dreaded beard ruff. Your beard will feel luxuriously smooth and touchable. Number 2. Beard Club Premium Derma Roller and Beard Growth Oil. Are you ready to achieve your ultimate beard goals? Introducing a revolutionary system designed to help you grow a fuller, healthier beard. It's time to transform your look. Our premium Derma Roller features 540 titanium microneedles. This advanced technology gently stimulates your skin, preparing it for optimal beard growth. Experience the difference. This versatile tool isn't just for your beard. Use it on your face, body, or even your scalp to promote healthier skin and hair. It's your all-in-one grooming solution. Complement your routine with our specially formulated beard growth oil. Infused with sandalwood and cedar, it nourishes and conditions your beard. Enjoy a softer, more manageable beard. Combine the power of microneedling with our nourishing oil. Together, they work to create the ideal environment for your beard to thrive. Get ready for a visibly fuller beard. This is more than just a roller and oil, it's a complete system for beard enhancement. Invest in your beard's future and see the remarkable results for yourself. What we like. This kit combines a microneedling roller with a premium growth oil featuring a sandalwood and cedar scent. If you're looking for a dual-action approach to beard enhancement, combining stimulation with nourishing oil, this is a strong contender. It's great for those who appreciate a sophisticated fragrance and a comprehensive growth strategy. What people say. The Beard Stimulator has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in hand. It features multiple intensity levels, allowing for a customized and effective stimulation experience. The device is equipped with advanced microcurrent technology for optimal beard growth promotion. Number 1. The Beard Club Enhanced Beard Growth Kit. Are you ready to achieve the beard of your dreams? This comprehensive kit is designed to help you reach your full potential. It includes everything you need for thicker, fuller growth. Experience the difference with our all-in-one solution. Our Derma Roller works to stimulate your skin, while the potent growth oil nourishes your follicles. Together, they create the optimal environment for growth. Keep your beard looking its best with the included sandalwood balm and comb. Achieve a perfectly groomed and great-smelling beard every day. Looking for a gift for the bearded man in your life? This set is a thoughtful and practical choice he'll love. See and feel the difference. It's time to elevate your beard game with this exceptional kit. What we like. This enhanced kit provides a complete grooming experience with a Derma Roller, 2 growth oils, and beard balm. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution or a perfect gift for a bearded friend, this set covers all the bases. It's ideal for someone who wants a comprehensive routine and multiple products to achieve their best beard. What people say. His beard is so soft now and his beard is way more full now. He had a few areas that didn't grow much hair. Ever since he started using the products and the Derma Roller that came with it, his beard is fuller and grows faster too. My husband has seen amazing results since using it. It's a good product for people who have sensitive skin. Left no irritation when used. It does leave a soft shine on the face after use. Scent is mild, good if you're looking for a product that doesn't have an overpowering smell. Make my beard super soft and the itch is non-existent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.